up to you to record too.
Yeah, let me sort it out.
Record some of the signs as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Bring it back a bit.
It's just easy if I hold it. And I can control it.
It's 45 minutes, so. Truck's been swerving in and out. Not crazy.
Oh, miles, mate.
Eh?
Miles.
Miles.
Yeah, we've got to catch the Vaporetto.
Yeah, you gotta catch the bell. So what will happen is we'll get the car park's at the train station.
At the Tronquetto.
No, it's a bit out, yeah.
You can catch like a people mover tram thing
Yeah.
that goes to the train station.
No, but we can catch a Vaporetto from there and go straight to Piazza San Marco. Because a Vaporetto, they got 9 or 10 different routes that they go on.
So I said, how far is it from the train station?
The hotel.
Does he have to turn soon?
Yeah, get over.
Oh, okay, get into the other
In
one.
600 meters, use the right lane to take the A13 slip road to Padova.
No, not yet.
I don't think.
Is it this one? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh
No,
man.
no, it's not.
You sure? It's just.
Padua?
Yeah, it's here. It's,
No, 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 no.
Yes, no, yes, no.
No, it's
300
the next
meters.
There we go.
Use the right lane to take the A13 slip
Yeah, now
road.
it's here.
This one.
You gotta wait for her to tell you. She tells you just before.
Continue for 800 meters.
All those roads are too freaking confusing.
I'm surprisingly good with directions.
Oh,
I was, and then I started to fly on the last minute. I lost my touch at the end. So just
In 500 meters, keep left at the fork, follow signs for Milano, Firenze.
Keep left.
Well, you gotta go do this.
and they gave us one that was like all bunged up, like scratched. So I was taking photos, just like.
Keep left at the fork.
So we've got to go this way. Left is this way, isn't it? Yep.
Yeah, it says left at a fork.
In 600 meters, merge onto A13.
Once we get on the main freeway, you can switch it off because
Right.
it's just going straight. I just want to record all the curves and shit you got to do.
Has your channel been uploaded in a while?
No.
Oh, so merge onto this.
Merge onto A13, then use the left lane to take the A14 exit.
A14.
You have to go in this one.
Use the left lane to take the A14 exit.
A14's here.
No, but there's A14 and A14 up here.
Ah, fuck.
Continue on A14
Ah,
for
we got
6
the wrong one.
kilometers.
Did we?
No, it says it's
fine.
fine.
Oh yeah, no, okay.
No, that's different A14. It's just, it says keep going.
A14A. A4.
No, this is
Yeah, we're going on the right one.
this is just leading us up.
Yeah, once when I was going, I took that one. I had to go all the way around once to get back.
Because those are exiting at Bologna. Yeah, this is right, 42 minutes.
What time's dinner tonight?
Yeah, after 8.
After 8.
Yeah, once he finishes 8:30.
Perfect.
Jeez, that's late.
That's when they have dinner, at 9 o'clock.
I've been sleeping. I've been sleeping when it's really late.
So you can switch it off now because we're on the right road, aren't
Yeah, pretty much. Doing it off.
we? Yeah, save the battery.
So this is good because this guy's like trying to overtake him.
Ride the trucks off.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Around. Right. So I don't know why they do that. Don't get it.
They go right up their arse.
What's the point?
That's how they are.
I'm not going to pressure them to go through.
Good thing that comes up.
In 500 meters, slight right onto Via Maranello. Slight right onto Via Maranello.
Yeah, get out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Via Grisaga via Maranello.
This town stinks. I can just smell cows. I can't see any. Where are the cows though?
I don't know why.
Take the next left onto Via Grisaga via Maranello.
Why does it take you through these like side streets?
It's like it's taking you back to where you started.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's taking you now underneath that main road. You're good in the road. Yeah, because that main
In
road.
600 meters, at the roundabout, take the fourth exit onto Via Grisaga.
Yeah, I don't get that then. Why wouldn't we have just driven straight and then gone left at the roundabout at the top? Maybe they can't do that or something. Oh yeah, see, it takes you underneath, that's why. Because then otherwise you can't exit up there.
See the horse.
Yeah, there it is.
photos of the Ferrari signs. We came in a different way.
But it's a different.
Exit the roundabout onto Via Grisaga. In 400 meters, slide right onto Via Claudia.
There's a car park there.
Jesus, heaps of people here.
Yeah, but how far to where you have to go?
Yeah, where the...
What's up there then? Oh no, this is just taking you around to like the...
In 150 meters, at the roundabout,
Oh,
take the
alright.
second exit and stay on Via dei Navigatori.